Coach Oxilly, tough defeat, you know. Team played well in the first half.
Yes.
Just a 1 goal margin. What's your assessment of the game today?
Well, I believe that once we had conceded that goal in the first half and the dying stroke of half time, I think it kind of broke the spirit of the team. For the first 45 minutes, I think we gave as much as we had gotten. We were tactically solid. We were transitioning properly. But in the second half, the quality of this Manchester team actually showed. And it's not that we are not playing football, but they came up a superior team today. I think the guys just need to be more confident in themselves. But I do believe that we have the tenacity to bounce back from this game, and we should put in a better showing in our next outing.
Yeah, you guys showed a lot of technical qualities for the first 45 minutes. You think that maybe if you guys can give that same 245, that same 45 in the first half, in the second half, you might see more better results coming in?
Most definitely. Today we will make some changes to the team as it relates to adjusting to this Manchester High School team. We know that they had superior players. So what we wanted to do was impose ourselves on the game. So we wanted to not let them settle, and you saw glimpses of that in the first half. They were unable to come out of their half. We were able to block up as quickly as possible. Once they got that go-ahead goal in the first half, I think our guys kind of lost that confidence, and it kind of just took away from our game today.
What will you take away from this game and make an adjustment going to the next game?
All right.
You have played a superior opponent now, and you have felt that tempo, and you realize that what you need to do. What adjustment did you take in there?
We need to be more disciplined. Not just on the ball, but off the ball. It relates to our movements, how we swivel, how we press, how we drop back in shape. I think we have to be more defensively solid and organized in order to keep these teams that are better technically and tactically from breaking us down.
All right, Coach. Let's up here.
Thank you very much.